Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL OT11, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button, and from the boot options, select power off. Now when the tablet turns off, you want to hold all the buttons, power button, volume up and volume down at the same time. So I'm going to be holding all of them, and when you see the logo, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up and down. And as you can see, this redirects us to the recovery mode. In here you can use volume buttons to navigate up or down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So going down the list, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which I believe will take us to fast boot mode, just like the fast boot mode itself will. Then I have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. And we're back to the first one. So I'm going to confirm reboot system now by pressing power button, and this will bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.